Hi there. I'm sharing a quick survey from my presentation workshop held recently. This is a survey from Mentimeter. Overwhelmingly, PowerPoint seems to remain as the crowd's favorite, followed by Canva and Pictochart. PowerPoint is a full-fledged presentation software, and this most recent version of MS PowerPoint 2016 packs quite a number of useful features to enhance experience of using a presentation software and the experience of presenting. Remember I mentioned earlier that to ace your presentation, you need to adopt the mindset of a designer first, then a storyteller. This version of PowerPoint 2016 makes use of artificial intelligence to suggest several design options for your slides. I feel this is a fantastic addition to a presenter. Moving on to some alternatives to PowerPoint, there are many online presentation apps that offer great interfaces and much simpler, if not easier, way to create amazing presentation. Haiku Deck, Blendspace, Prezi are some alternative online presentation apps. Let's take a look at one of these. This is my Haiku Deck. This is very simple presentation that I did with Haiku Deck, stunning presentation with Haiku Deck. And you see, this is one side of it, yeah. And I have got 4 slides here with Haiku Deck. So Haiku Deck make it amazingly simple to use it and to present. And then this is my Blendspace. If I play this, it shows my Blendspace, my presentation. And this is actually a presentation that it's a compilation of all different apps. Firstly, it is focused towards presentation, and then I also add in some other collaborative mind mapping tools and other tools that can actually enhance your presentation. As you see here, this is a Dilbert cartoon on making fun of the really death by PowerPoint slides. Yeah? They call it PowerPoint poisoning because there's too much information going on in a meeting. And these alternatives let you create an awesome presentation in minutes. We'll go into this later, this course, yeah? And then this is Prezi. This is my students' Prezi. You can see Prezi is a zooming presentation apps. Yeah? Let's take a look, 1 or 2 shots into Prezi. This is about depression. And the tagline is, "It's not the end of the world." And then this zooming movable presentation allows you to move on to the inside of it. It shows the group member. And we're going one by one. Zooming out. And this presentation takes you to the definition of depression. For those who are looking for a presentation app, most similar to PowerPoint, look no further than Google Slides. This is an example of my presentation I had early this year on empowering digital leadership through social media. You can see that the whole layout is like a PowerPoint. If I press present, it's now in full screen. It looks like a PowerPoint. I can then move on to the next slide, like PowerPoint as well. All right. So I shall go through these presentation apps in the later part of the course. Stay tuned and don't forget to share with us your reflection of week 1.